Hey friends, who's hungry? There's meatloaf and then there's smoked meatloaf. Cooking a meatloaf on a pellet smoker takes this beloved classic to new heights by infusing it with layers of delicious smoky flavor. Preheat your pellet grill to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the grill is heating, combine 5 slices of chopped bacon, 2½ teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 3/4 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, and 3 tablespoons of dark brown sugar in a large mixing bowl. Transfer the ingredients to a food processor and pulse until the mixture forms a thick paste. In a larger mixing bowl, add 2 pounds of ground beef, 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon of dry ground mustard, the bacon paste, and 3/4 cup of milk. Mix until the ingredients are evenly combined, then form the beef mixture into a 12-inch loaf on a flat surface. Transfer the meatloaf to a preheated grill and insert the probe into the center of the meatloaf from the side. Smoke the meatloaf at 350 degrees for about 1 hour until the internal temperature of the meat reaches around 150 degrees Fahrenheit. We're brushing on a mixture of 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce and 1/4 cup of ketchup. Once you've done that, close the lid and smoke for an additional 15 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the meatloaf from the grill and allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Looking for more recipes? Be sure to follow me.